right, I need you to stop posting on social media before you go through this quick training video, okay? So, because I have done it all. I also got my $1 Million awards from ClickFunnels, right? So I did YouTube, I did TikTok, I did Facebook, I did Instagram, right? But let me share with you what's working right now, okay? Especially if you are starting from scratch, right? You want to save time from going through trial and error by yourself. I've never seen anything like this, okay? It's so easy to get leads and sales if you tap into this secret traffic source, all right? And the traffic I'm going to be sharing with you doesn't require you to show your face, doesn't require you to spend money on ad. But let me show you my actual result. Right now, when I record this video, it's September 7th, 2025. You can see at the bottom right-hand corner, September 7th, Sunday, 2025. Okay, right now, if you are not doing this strategy, you are missing out. Okay, so yesterday on my Facebook profile, okay, celebrating, I just crossed my first 1 million views on Facebook in 28 days. This secret traffic source is Facebook, and the strategy we will be using is called Facebook Comment Thread. If you want to learn how to do this, I actually put the free resource down below, okay? I share with you my templates and some proven to work framework. You guys can take it, use it in your business right away, okay? So just click down below. I will leave a free resource for you guys to tap in, all right? So yesterday, I was celebrating my first 1 million views after I used this strategy consistently for 30 days. Boom, completely changed my business. But you know what's even crazier? 1 million views yesterday, right? Finally, I got it. I put in 30 days of very consistent work. Today, I go to my profile. Check this. Overnight, yesterday, I was celebrating 1 million views in 28 days. Yesterday. Today, 2.7 million views. Boom. Overnight. This morning till now, I have non-stop leads. People asking for my offer, asking for information. I didn't even have to take my kids out yet because just two, all right? And if you are inside my program, right, as my students, you can go to our Passion Over Profits classroom, then go to Y5 Cash Summer Challenge. This, just what if you can, okay? If you go to Y5 Cash Summer Challenge, go to week number 5. Break down the exact process how to do it. Also free resources as well, including a bot that you guys can use to write all your posts. This doesn't require any talent. Just follow what's put. Just do what I'm doing, okay? Overnight, I got another 1 million views. Crazy, okay? So if you are not inside my program yet, if you are not my students, make sure you click somewhere down below and get that free resource so you can implement it right away, regardless what offer you are selling. Unless you need leads and sales for your business, right? Whether you are selling products, right? Tap into this, okay? Use Facebook. Doesn't require you to pay money. You just need to know how to do this properly, all right? I'll see you in my next training.